Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I just got something really interesting from GoPro. It's not a new camera, but it's pretty cool. Let's check it out. These are the Mezcal Floating Polarized Sunglasses. Let's open up this box and take a look, shall we? Once you open up the box, you see a nice sunglass case. And inside the case, you'll find the sunglasses, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and interestingly, different lenses for the frames of your sunglasses. We have amber with a bronze mirror finish that enhances detail or color on the water. We have a light amber with a blue mirror finish to enhance detail and color in low light conditions. And then there's a gray that produces accurate color and reduced glare in bright conditions, including driving or winter sports. All of these lenses are polarized, and it's really cool that you actually have new lenses with you to pop them in and out as you need based on what you're doing. One thing that's either nice or not so much, depending on your point of view, is these lenses don't block IR, which I find useful because that means that I can still use Face ID on my iPhone with the glasses on. And as cool as that is, it's not even the coolest part of these sunglasses. If you caught me before, I said these are the floating polarized sunglasses. That's right, GoPro made these sunglasses so that they'll float in the water. If you've ever spent any time near the water, I'm sure you've lost a pair of sunglasses or two over the side of a boat or off a dock. It happens. But these will solve that problem, and that's such a specific need, and I love it so much because you can just drop these in the water and they'll float right there on top, patiently waiting for you to come along and scoop them up. I know a lot of people will remedy this problem with something like croquis or some other form of sunglass headband, but I never liked wearing those unless I absolutely had to, because most of the time they made the arm of the sunglasses feel way too thick on my ears and very uncomfortable over time. So to me, this really solves the issue of how to protect my sunglasses, but also have them be comfortable on my head without having the extra weight or the extra thickness from like a pair of croquis or something. I think this is a really cool offering from GoPro, and the price isn't too bad. If you have the GoPro subscription, these are like $50 for the pair, and it comes with everything I talked about. I think they're $80 if you don't have a GoPro subscription. But again, like I've said in past videos, I think the GoPro subscription is great value for the money, so you should just get it and enjoy the discounts on stuff like this. That's all the time I have for now. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these cool new sunglasses with me, and if there's anything else you'd want me to review or talk about, please leave it in the comments below. And as always, please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you out there. Bye!